I've been waiting for this day for a long time, and finally iPhone 12 Pro Max is here. It's in the house. And I'm gonna unbox it for you guys in this episode. So here it is, iPhone 12 Pro Max, Pacific Blue, 128 gigabytes. A pro tip, when reselling an iPhone, it's really nice if you can give the new owner the whole experience. So it's very important to keep the plastic in a good condition. It raises the value of the phone. Not by much, but still it feels brand new. So there's a way to open this plastic very simply without tearing it apart. So what you do is, you have this little plastic over here. That's the most satisfying sound. But in terms of future-proofing it, just lift it up a teensy-weensy little bit, and then you can slide out the phone, as such. This way, the plastic is preserved. If you want to reuse it, you just put the phone back in there and it feels like brand new. A lot of people say, oh my God, this is a huge phone. It's extra large. I don't feel it so large. So I guess that's a positive. And now for the satisfying part. This is as clean as the phone gets. I didn't touch the screen yet, so, you know. All right, let's turn this on. So it's turning on, let's put it aside and let's see what's in the box. So we have a Lightning USB-C cable, and we have this little document folder over here with the SIM card tool, some necessary paperwork, and the Apple sticker. That's it. That's what you get in the box. The box is larger, but also a lot thinner. The Pro models are black. The non-Pro models are white boxes. So here we have the phone, and I'm really curious to see the difference between the camera, because this is a new camera system. This has the sensor shift stabilization, which basically stabilizes the sensor, not the lens. It's also a bigger camera module up here on the front. Now if we look around the camera, you can see that this is the power button. Then on the bottom you have the Lightning connector, you have the microphone and the speaker. The speaker is actually one grill more than in the case of the iPhone 12 Pro. On this side you have the SIM card place, you have the volume buttons and the volume rocker. This is the European model, so it doesn't have the 5mm bandwidth or 5mm antenna cutout here on the side, which I think makes it a lot cleaner. It's a lot better without that cut. That's all you need to know. This is a bigger phone than the 12 Pro. Apart from the screen, it has a bigger battery. It has around somewhere 3,600 milliamps. So yeah, it's not as big as I thought. If we look at a size comparison, look over here. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. This is an iPhone 5S. You can see that there is tremendous amount of space. If we look at the iPhone 12 mini, this is the mini compared to the Max. Then we look at an iPhone 6S. Then we look at an iPhone 11. It's just a little bit bigger than the 11. And if we compare it to the iPhone XS Max, you see that it's almost the same size. So just a little bit more screen real estate. Now, I have the dummy unit over here. Pitaka sent this over to me back a while ago. And if I look at the devices side by side, this was sent to me in August, way before the iPhone announcement. And it's spot on. It's fantastic. Now, Pitaka is my channel sponsor, and they provided me with these cases that I can only recommend. This is the Pitaka Air case, and this is the Pitaka Mag Pro Case. They're aramid fiber cases with magnets inside. Now, these have magnets, but they're not so strong. These are freaking strong, and they're freaking thin. As you can see over here, a very, very thin case. Now, keep in mind, this was sent in August. Just, so I can put all the leaks and rumors to rest, that when leaks get out, they get out, because this is a perfect match. Look at it. Look how cool this phone looks in this case. And then you have the Air case, and the Air case is actually even thinner and lighter. These are gorgeous cases. Link is down in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. You can buy these cases for your phones. I can only recommend it because I think it's one of the best looking cases. You have like a car mount, you have charging stations, you have everything that you might want. Go ahead, go for this. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to have a lot more details on this phone, so I would really appreciate a like, a subscription, or maybe, if you would press the little bell. Also, there's an iPhone 12 mini giveaway coming, so stay tuned for that. That video is going to be up tomorrow. Get the notification button ready because it's coming out and you can win an iPhone 12 mini. Thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.